The goal of this project was simple but insane. 3D model, print, and assemble a rideable replica of the $6,500 Canyon Aeroad dream bike, all within a single week and with a zero 3D modeling experience. The challenge began with a deep dive into 3D design software. The creator quickly learned to model the complex aerodynamic shapes of the bike, starting with the handlebars and moving to the deep dish wheels. Designing these wheels was a major hurdle, requiring custom spokes and interlocking segments just to be strong enough to print. The high of seeing the first interlocking wheel pieces successfully print was an early win, but this was quickly overshadowed by a harsh reality. The estimated print time for the entire bike was physically impossible with just one machine. A state of full panic led to the creation of a temporary print farm. The creator leveraged the online community, borrowing printers from friends to boost his production capacity up to 5 machines running simultaneously. This solved the speed issue, but created a massive logistical nightmare. He was stressed, managing multiple machines, constantly swapping filaments, and modeling on the fly, barely sleeping to meet the 7-day deadline. Catastrophic print failures became a common theme. Parts would peel off the print bed, supports would break, and entire 10-hour prints would be ruined due to simple things like cold air hitting an exposed corner of the build plate. The creator had to continually modify his design, break the frame into smaller, more manageable pieces, and send them out to his network of temporary printers. The final day, his birthday, arrived, and with the clock ticking, it was time for assembly. Over 6 hours, he painstakingly pieced together the mountain of printed components, only to have the structure break and crack immediately. The seat tube failed, the wheels cracked, and the entire frame was structurally compromised. Despite the damage, he assembled the final broken bike, determined to attempt the ride. The inevitable test ride resulted in a spectacular, instantaneous collapse of the plastic frame the moment weight was applied. The project was officially declared a spectacular failure as a rideable bike. However, the story had one final twist. The entire process was documented and caught the attention of Canyon. The company, impressed by the effort, reached out and sent the creator his actual $6,500 dream bike for his birthday. The spectacular failure led to a massive win.